blame AI either, because it's your responsibility. So here's some tips to maintain originality while using AI. So after using AI, if you've actually made some, you content, or generated some content, you got to review and edit the content. Whether it's paraphrasing or rephrasing or um, reducing the word count. That's another way to use AI, or just rewriting, paraphrasing. You got to go through and read every word it generates and make adjustments to it and make sure it aligns with your own writing style and your tone. So the AI here should enhance your voice and not replace it. So this is important. So, if you're using AI to paraphrase, a few sentences, you generate the content, make sure you edit that content and make it yours before you insert it into your manuscript. So you want to add your personal insights. So, uh, and if you use AI just for tasks like proofreading, or even generating ideas, make sure that your own analyses and interpretations and original thoughts are clearly presented, and these are not overwritten by AI generated suggestions. So keep your original content. These personal insights are the key parts of your paper. Even if they're written poorly in English, you want to maintain them. So this is very important. Don't get it replaced by AI generated suggestions. You want to avoid the over reliance on AI for core ideas of your paper. Yeah, yes, it can help you generate some early drafts or some research directions, but in the end, you want to have control over your core ideas. So, again, you can use it for grammar checking and summarization, but for these critical sections like your analysis or your conclusion section, maintain full control of your own content. Don't let the AI dominate. And you can customize AI suggestions. So when you actually use the tools themselves, you can customize the suggestions. So AI, if you know how generative AI works, it generates the content based on patterns and algorithms. So you may want to fine tune the suggestions. So you can tailor these suggestions to fit your writing style, ensure that the content reflects your own unique perspective. So hopefully the machines can actually learn what your tone is before you ask it for help. What is your style? And then you can ensure consistent voice across the entire paper. So if you're using AI across various sections, be mindful of maintaining consistency in your tone, style, and voice. And you can edit out any inconsistencies that may arise from AI tools' influence. So to remove that part, you want to make sure you maintain your own voice.